Belle is trying to get a pig's ear from Rex, and Rex stole it from Buck. What happened? Did you lose your ear, Buck? Here's Rex. Oh, Rex just ran in the house with it. There, Rex has got it. Come on, Rex. Here she comes, Rex. Come on, Rex. It's a catastrophe. We got a puppy palooza going on here. Belle is trying to take Rex's pig ear, which Rex has been running all around the house to keep her from getting it. Chippy's pretty much resigned to the fact that she's not going to get it. Looks like she might make one more attempt. Well, these fellows can be quite sweet when they want to be. They're about 5 months old now. Rex with the red collar and Buckeye with the black collar. We're heading out to go play with the ball. Well, Buck is the one that likes to play with the bouncy ball. Ready? Go get it! Bring it here. He's real good about going and getting it. He's real good about bringing it back. He's just not real good about dropping it. Now, I don't work with him much. Derek does, of course. Buck is Derek's dog, but he was just feeling a little crazy in the house, so I thought I'd better get him outside and wear his ass out. Bring it here. Bring it here. Buck, drop it. Good boy. There you go. Drop it. There, yes, that's a good boy. See, you're such a good boy. All right, you ready? Go get it. Well, I got the dogs out at Otter Pond, doing a little off-leash stuff with Rex. Beautiful spring day, early spring, kind of chilly out here. What'd you find? Oh, what'd you find down there? Had your head stuck in a hole. Better hope it's not a skunk. It's slippery up here. We had a nice little snow last night. It won't stick around long. In fact, it'll probably be gone by the end of the day. But we're going to call this video a wrap. Hope you come back next week. Subscribe if you're inclined to do so, and thank you for watching.